For the last 16 years, we've been hoarders. We never throw anything away. Our store is in an uproar. Why? Because for the first time in 20 years, we're doing a top-to-bottom renovation. We're ripping up most of the floors and putting down one uniform luxury vinyl plank floor. Abby is our director of operations, and she has echoed what we've heard for many years. The place was just a mess. Abby, what was the main reason why you really wanted to do this?
I was thinking functional workspace. So as you could see, I don't really have a functional workspace.
We've gone to all this trouble just for you?
Yes.
Oh.
More customers would come in and would have a great experience coming in once they see the space.
This is very compelling because, you know, when you get to be an old man like me, you look at the same thing all the time and it doesn't bother you. Let me talk a little bit about some of the principal features of our renovation. I've told Flossie not to worry. Despite the fact that we're changing everything around, she can stay. One of our problems is, you know, I've never met a sample I didn't like, at least at one time. We're going to remove the samples from the store, cluttering up the walkways. It's really important to us that the store become more accessible. So this is what painted cinder block looks like after 50 years. Unfortunately, the moisture comes through the cinder block and destroys the paint. We've got a little burned out electrical outlet because I remember when we had a fire here. This is a challenge. I'm hoping that the building won't fall down. This is our tile room. This is going to pretty much stay the way it is. For one thing, we built this wonderful display to hold decorative tile. You can't move it. Now what you see in this department is a mixture of tile and carpet displays, and this is all going to be changed. So all the carpet is coming out of here, and this will be all tile. So one thing that's not going to change is the oil painting of the ancestral store, my grandfather's store, my great uncle's store. We're very proud to see ourselves as a continuation of the Fanes tradition. And we plan to have, you know, a big table where we can sit with clients and work on things like blueprints, layout, fabrics, or countertop samples. This empty rack over here, finally, we've reunited the Stanton display. Stanton will all be in the same area. Our wood department's going to remain the same. It's just going to be a little neater. We're keeping the original floor, which was a floor that we don't sell anymore, but it's got a good look. I assure you that if you come in during this period, we'll be able to help you. We'll be able to find the products that you need. I don't think you'll be disappointed.